2023 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 39,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.